Oma by Raheja Developers.
Raheja Developers are always known for its luxurious construction work that provides a world-class living experience to its residents. Continuing the same, they are developing Raheja Oma, a high standard of living located on the growth spine of the country NH8. Providing true value world-class housing in the heart of Japanese multinational industrial townships. Raheja Oma is just 200 meters from Daharuheda Industrial Township, 5 to 7 minutes drive from Bhiwadi, and KMP corridor is 10 kilometers away. Spread across 10.7 acres, Raheja Oma is incorporated with 17 blocks of low-rise Sansara residences. Its construction is almost completed, only finishing work is going on, and possessions will get started by next year. One high-rise tower Akasha residences of 40 floors with 377 apartments, both comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 BHK condominiums and penthouses of sizes 1 BHK of 948, 835, 1155 and 1080 square feet, 2 BHK of size starting from 1355 square feet and it comes in different sizes till 2190 square feet, 3 BHK of 1850, 2005, 2360, 2140 square feet, 4 BHK with lawn is of size 2207 square feet. Raheja Oma offers a unique feature to you of owning a destination spa homes. Gives you a modern clubhouse, several recreational activity options, retail and business center, infinity swimming pool and sky bath, and many other luxuries. Raheja Oma is being designed by internationally acclaimed Laser Design from the US. Structure designed and MEP by Menhard of UAE. So that you can get the international feel by living in India.